Hi everyone, Merry Christmas. So it's 24th of December and it's already 7:30 in the evening, and I haven't prepared anything yet cause I didn't have much time to prepare something, because yesterday we went to my parents-in-law's house and then we came back here like past noon today. So after that, I went to work and I came back like around 7 p.m. like that. So I really didn't have much time to do something to prepare for Noche Buena, and my task is to make a cake. So it's not really making a cake, it's just assembling to be a cake because we don't have the right equipment to bake a cake. So we just bought like the base of the cake and some fruits for the toppings, and of course like cream. So I'm really excited to try to assemble them because this is my first time to do that, and I hope, finger crossed, finger crossed, it's gonna be presentable or it's gonna be nice. So yeah, let's do it. Let's do it.
But the very next day, you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart. But the very next day, you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone.
Okay, so this one is the first layer. Oh my gosh, sorry for my hair. Anyway, only two of us will eat this, so it's okay. And this is the cream. And look, it's broken. I broke it. Oh my gosh. I'm very professional. This is very funny. And so since we don't have the right tools, so I'm gonna use a steak knife and a spoon. Of course, it's okay. Improvising, try to improvise. Oh my gosh, see? This is see, I'm so talented, right? I told you. Oh my gosh, this is so ridiculous. Don't judge me. I really hope this one will turn out to be good, or even just a little presentable for the holiday. What do you think, guys? Oh my gosh. Am I doing the right thing? Am I doing the right thing? I think I'm not.
Oh no!
Oh my gosh, this is so hard. Like seriously, it's hard.
Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special.
What should I do? What should I do?
You gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special.
It's tasty. So this is the first layer. It's so messy. Look at the sides. It's really messy. But anyway, I can clean that after I finish, so it's fine. Now I'm gonna put some toppings. So this is how it looks like. It's not bad, just really messy at the side, but I will really clean that up later. Now let's move on to the second layer. This is the second layer. I'm gonna put it this. Oh my gosh, what's going on? This way. Ta-da! Sound effect. Ta-da! It's not really perfect circle or perfect round. Oh no! Like, look at the sides. It's already damaged. It broke down, so that is very hard. What should I do? Is this correct? I think I don't know, but I think I wanna add this one. I'm going to add whipped cream. So to the professional bakers or whatever term it is, don't judge me. Like, I really don't know what I'm doing. I'm just, you know, trying to discover something new. I don't know if you guys put like this when you're baking, like you put whipped cream on top of the middle thing, but oh my gosh. Anyway, okay, let's move on to the last one, and this is the last one. Let me see. Okay. I think this is wrong. I don't really know. And let's try to have vanilla flavor, like the second layer. This is not good. Okay, so let's start. I think I'm murdering this cake. It's very messy. I'm so sorry. I'm doing my best. Before I forget, I wanna say hi to Niljan Gonzalez, my most improved friend. And the award goes to Niljan Gonzalez for the most improved friend. Just continue maintaining your hot bod. Lawas ug kalag, as they say. So he has a very funny story, like on his first travel abroad. Like, he didn't really book for hotel accommodation because he relied so much on his credit card. And then because of that, because he didn't prepare for that, he was rejected at the airport immigration. It was very funny. But yeah, he learned his lesson from that, so it's okay. Charge to experience as well. So for those normal people like us, if it's your first time to travel abroad, then it's really better if you like prepare everything airplane ticket, hotel accommodation, itinerary of the activities that you will do on a day-to-day basis. Just in case, just try to be prepared, because some officers really will try to look at those like things, and if you are rejected, of course, your airfare will not be refunded. But of course, for those rich people, of course, you don't need to do that. You can travel anytime. So that is just for first timers. After that, I think it's easier for you to go abroad, like not so strict anymore because you've been outside the Philippines already. So now Neil John is actually like a jet setter already. So see you in the Big Apple, okay? New York!
Ooh, I've been bad if you kiss me now. I know you pull me again. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart.
It's very hard. What happened? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm so professional. Oh my gosh, I think this one should be the bottom part. Nobody will eat this one except us, the two of us. It's okay. Everybody has their first time. And then, of course, they learn from the mistakes. So maybe next time I can do better. Right? I wanted to cover the middle area. I'm trying to do that, but I guess I couldn't. Maybe. Can I? Is it possible? It's not easy though. It's really not easy though. Try to look at the physical appearance of this one. It's so messy, and I can say this is already my best at this point.
Oh no!
Okay, I'm gonna put the toppings. So this is the final product. Ta-da! Oh, it's very difficult. So thank you guys for watching, and again, Merry Christmas! Bye bye!
Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away.
Merry Christmas, baby!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas 2029. 2029.
2019.
2019.